Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video about the tips and tricks that you can do to make sure that your gig runs more smoothly. You can watch these videos in any order you wish, but these are some of the things you can do to make sure it runs more smoothly. In this video we are talking about equipment. If you are a stringed instrument player, before you go to the gig, change your strings so they are nice and fresh for the gig. Don't do it before the gig at the venue, because if you get set behind by setting up or stuff like that, you are then rushing to change them. You also want the strings to be played in so you constantly don't have to retune the instrument. If you're a drummer and you're changing your drum heads, do it at home, not at the gig. Like everything else, if you get delayed anywhere, if you can't load in or load out at certain times, times gets pushed back and these things slip. So do all of that before you set off for the gig. If it matters to you, make sure all your equipment looks nice and clean so you look a bit more professional on stage. Most professionals have a clean stage. That means everything looks nice and there's not wires everywhere. Again, carry spares to the gig. If you're a guitarist and you use a cable from your guitar to the amplifier, carry a spare one or another spare one. Indeed, as many spares as you can, even down to spare instruments and stuff like that. You can't stop the gig because something breaks. You need to continue on. So if your guitar breaks for some reason or won't work, you can just grab the next one and play. It doesn't have to be the same quality as the main guitar, but it's just got to be able to get you through the gig, and that is what matters. If you stop during a gig because of some broken instrument or broken wire, you may not get booked again because you look unprofessional. If you can simply carry on because you've got spares, you are more likely to be rebooked. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. The more subscribers and the more thumbs up we get, the more videos we will post. So, until next time, take care, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.